45-degree angle of the butterfly. They experience over 3 G's of pressure in this ball. That's 3 times his own body weight. Round and round. And Malachi's down. Make some noise for him, Santa. Round and round. Upside down. Full vertical. Into the 45. Just twisting that grip. Ripping the handlebars around. Holy moly. And he's down. Give it up. Malachi Walker starts it off. Oh, they're holding hands, ladies and gentlemen. Tire to tire. That is so close. They are cracking the throttle back, getting a little excited in there. Let him hear your excitement, Santa Pod. Into the butterfly, just inches away from helmet contact. Oh my God. Coming down. Bo Gonzalez is down. Malachi Walker's down. Very technical part. They start off horizontal. We'll hear their signs being called out by the board with a butterfly action. Running around. Bo rips it down. Malachi's up. Oh my God. Look how close they are, ladies and gentlemen. 3 G's of pressure. They experience vomiting, nausea, and dizziness, and they do this. There it is. They start on the horizontal. Looks like Malachi Walker ducks in first. There it is, ladies and gentlemen. Full burn by Malachi Walker. Horizontal line being ran by Bo Gonzalez. Inches away. Perfectly timed. It is beautiful. Bo is down. Malachi is down. Yo! Guys, give me a little tap. He's got my hat. Give me that thing. Thank you. Oh, Bo's got it. They pass it off. There's a little hide and go. And then he pulls the flexing with my hat. And they crank the throttle back a little harder. Oh my God, into a butterfly. What am I doing in here? Somebody let me out. Oh God, safe and sound. Thank you. Yes, side saddle, Xander. And another back flip by T.